What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So we just got back from RYC, or Redneck Mud Park, over in Punta Gorda, Florida, and the truck is a little bit dirty. Yeah, I'd say we got some cleaning to do. Oh boy. So I figure, what better time than to show y'all what we go through to make this truck look super freaking bitchin' every time we go to a truck show or a truck tug event. We get asked all the time, how in the hell does a truck look like this when it was buried in the mud like literally last weekend? Well, y'all in for a treat, I'm gonna show you. So there are 5 things, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that are extremely critical to make your truck look super freaking bitchin'. 1, simple green. 2, slick off-road wash. 3, WD-40. 4, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of water. And number 5, lots of friends that are willing to help you scrub that thing when you're done mud bogging it. So the first step, you go through and use a pressure washer and pressure wash all that heavy shit off. All the mud that's caked all over the suspension, all over the axles, all over the wheels, sometimes all over the body too. Go and pressure wash all that heavy stuff off. Now, the next step, we're going to get the Slick Products foam cannon and actually foam the entire truck. The suspension, the axles, the tires, the body, whole 9 yards, foam everything. Now, there's actually 2 types of foam cannons that Slick Products offers. And then I'll show you the off-road wash here. All right, so the first foam cannon is this guy right here. This is actually my go-to one. This is what I'm going to use today. Thing is super bitchin'. You just fill it up. They've got little markings on the side of it. Show you how much soap you got to put in it. And you fill it the rest of the way up with water. And then this locks right onto your pressure washer. So this is actually the one I'm going to use. And then you can adjust your fan with this nozzle, like twisting the nozzle. And then you can adjust how much soap or how much water you're spraying with this. Pretty freaking bitchin'. Now the other foam cannon that we also have, I use it mainly like on the side-by-side and stuff like that, but it's this guy. Bam, super killing it. This one just goes onto the hose. You get a lot less pressure, obviously, because it's not shooting out of a pressure washer, but it serves its purpose. It foams the entire truck as well. Usually I only use it on the side-by-side, like I said, but generally speaking, when we're doing the mega truck, I use this one for the pressure washer because you want that extra pressure trying to get all that heavy gunk off. And then as far as what to put in it, that's from Slick Products too. My one container is just about empty, but it's this stuff. Off-road wash, attack, dirt, and mud. Dale, yeah. And this is what it looks like when it's brand new. Damn, so I'm not out of it. I got a brand new one right here, tell you that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock this onto the pressure washer and cover the entire truck with foam. So now we're going to take microfiber mitts and cloths and go through and scrub every nook and cranny on the truck. Try to hit every freaking thing on it. All right, next up is a little bit of Meguiar's Wash and Wax. So I'm going to put this into a bucket. We're going to, again, use some mitts and everything and wash the entire body. It keeps the body looking nice, keeps the paint looking kind of fresh, and it's kind of the final once-over for the body end of things. So while we're doing that, we're going to continue scrubbing all the nooks and crannies, everything in the suspension, the subframe, the axles, the wheels. Truck gets a lot bigger when you go to clean it, I tell you that. And just like that, we are all done. Just kidding. Now we're going to break out the simple green and cover the whole suspension, the subframe, everything in simple green to try to break up that mud a little bit more. Best way to apply the simple green, pump sprayer. She's looking pretty good. So now we go through and scrub it all a little bit more and a little bit more. And then once we're done with all this, we're going to rinse it all down. She's looking on point. So now the final step. We just got everything all rinsed off. Now we got to cover everything in WD-40. WD-40 is freaking amazing. Highly recommend it to anybody that has a side-by-side, a freaking four-wheeler, mega truck. Even if it's not a mega truck, just an off-road truck. Dude, WD-40, that is your best friend. I am telling you something. I cover the whole truck, not the whole truck, the whole bottom of the truck with it. Right before we go to a mud bog, it makes all the mud kind of fall off. It like puts like a protective film on everything. But not only does it do that, it protects all of your aluminum, keeps it from getting nasty looking, protects all your steel, keeps it from rusting, all the moving components, keeps them lubricated up so that they're sliding back and forth. So literally I cover all the metal work with it, all the aluminum pieces with it. I don't cover the tires, and I put tire shine on them, but all over the rims, all the heim joints, all the shocks, any plastics underneath, like the wheel liners and everything, cover all them in WD-40. Literally load that shit up. And I am not talking no little shit cans like this. This is good if you're in a pinch. If you got a squeaky doorknob or some shit. No, I don't think so. You buy that shit by the gallon. Tell you that. And guess how we get it out? Freaking pump sprayer, tell you that. And I'm even gonna learn y'all something one better. This is kind of neat, actually. So you see how they put the knob right there on that part of the can? You know why they do that? Most people would go and pour it in like this. But then it does that shit. See how it's like dug, 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 and it gets all over the freaking place? Instead, it is actually designed to be poured like this, because then you don't get that air pocket trapped in it. Boom. See, look at that. It's not doing that. Dug, 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 dug. I'm still spilling a little bit, but you get the gist. All right, y'all, round one of cleaning is over. Bam, she looks pretty good. That camera angle is way better. She looks pretty good. Not too bad considering it was covered in mud about 3 hours ago. Back to show truck status. So here is gonna be the real moment of truth. We're about to find out if that axle rebuild we did right before RYC, if that was effective or not. So we got the drain plug loosened so we can get some airflow. Let's pull the plug and see what this Earl looks like. All right, so as soon as there's water in it, it turns kind of like a gummy, thicker poo type looking substance. Let's see, all right, there we go. Oh God, oh no, that's a lot of water. Yep, all right, she is not sealed up. That's not how it's supposed to be. Ugh. So she still does get water in her. Let's take this. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's not what we want. Damn. Why is this thing not freaking sealing up? I don't get it. There's a lot of different places it could be coming in, but I thought I sealed it up pretty good. Oh, she's got lots of water in her. Yuck. Well, looks like we're still gonna have to drain the fluid out after each serious mudding type event. Mega trucks, I tell you what. Else, we'll put a pin in that one and deal with that later. If nothing else, y'all learned how to clean a mega truck. Thanks for watching, y'all.
If y'all enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel. Hit that button right there. While you're at it, hit the like button at the bottom of your screen. You can also check out our website, killinItlifestyle.com. There you can follow the Killin It crew and order your own apparel so everyone will know you're super killing it.